Right hand. Nasa right hand? Okay, very good. Mga right hand. And before we proceed in our activity, I will group you into 4 groups first. So this is the group 1, this is the group 2, this is the group 3, and this is the group 4. Again, this is the group 1, this is the group 2, and this is the group 3, and group 4. And if one of your member can answer any of our question, is maaban mo og points. So this is, the A is for group 1, the B is for group 2, and the C for group 3, and the D is for group 4. And if one of the member of group 1 can answer, I will add points here. And if one of your member will disobey or unfollow our rules, is didakkan of points ang inyong grupo. That's why you need to follow our classroom rules. And children, are you ready for our first activity?
Yes, teacher!
And our first activity,
So in our first activity, I have here a picture. So all you have to do is to observe. So what animals shown in the pictures? Yes, in the anime? A dog, teacher! Okay, so a dog. Sakto ba in the anime? Yes, teacher! Very good. So you are group 1. Okay, so ibutang inyong point. Okay, very good in the anime. So what are the similarities did you see? Kung sa inyo nakita ang similarities, nilang duha. O si Bay anime ra? Okay, Bay anime. Ilang balibo, teacher? Okay, so saan sila balibo? Very good. Nasa sila anime. So magkano siya pakpapi? 1, 2, 3. So, naagapoy po yung sila anime. Okay, 1 point for group A. So, what differences did you see? Okay, Inday Marisa. Okay, the color, very good. So, na ay 1 point si Inday Marisa. So, please come here in front. Dahil butangin mo points, Inday. Okay, very good. Tagaan ko. 3 plus Inday Marisa, be. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So, what else? What are the similarity differences? Okay, Inday Giselle.
Ilang color sa mata, teacher?
Okay, color of sa mata. So, very good in the Genesis. So, nasa 1 point. So, very good, group 2. Okay, so, dili pa din nagtapos ang atong activity. Naatay laing activity. Excited na ba mo?
Yes, teacher!
Okay, so our next activity is?
so in our next activity, is you will be doing it in by group. So nagrupo naman tayo earlier, di ba?
Yes, teacher!
So in your next activity, you will be given different objects. So this is for the group 1, and this is for the group 2, and this is for the group 3, and this is for the group 4. So ang inyong buhaton, you need to find the similarities and differences on that different objects, and you need to write in the Manila paper. So, nakasabot ra, students? So, you will be doing it in 10 minutes. Okay. So, hapit na ba na human?
Not yet.
compare and contrast. So compare and contrast is are two fundamental methods of analysis often used in writing and research. And first, we're gonna discuss what is compare. So what is compare? So when we say compare, refers to identifying the similarities between two or more items, ideas, or concepts. It involves examining how they are alike. Example, apples and orange are both fruit. So, ang compare daw, it's all about identifying the similarities. So just like what you did in previous activities, wherein inyong ipakita ang kaparihan sa mga object na inyong nakuha. Just like sa gi-present ni Inday Marisa, di ba? Unsa kay similarity sa apple and orange?
Fruit.
Oh, they are good fruit. Very good. And next is all about contrast.
So when we say contrast, it focuses on identifying the differences between these items, ideas, or concepts, highlighting how they differ from one another. So kung si compare nakita sa similarities, si contrast nakita sa iyahan
Different.
difference. Okay, very good. So example, an apple has a thin skin. Isa man ang apple na dire? Okay, so makaon ba iyang panit?
Yes.
Okay, so that we can eat. An orange has a thick skin that we cannot eat. Isa may mukha magpanit sa orange dire? Okay, wala yung mukha.
Yes.
So mo ilang kalahian. Pareha sila ng fruit, pero lahi-lahi ang ilang forma or ilang characteristics. Okay, so I have here another example for you to understand what is compare and contrast.
So to really understand our topic, which is compare and contrast, here's the one example. So, unsa may putasan?
Banana.
Mango and bananas. Kisa naman nagkakaon sa mango banana dre. Okay, so labi na ba ng mga putasan? Okay, so, when we say banana and mango, bananas and mangoes are both unsa?
Sweet.
Sweet. So nakatilang mo pupuro sa tamis?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Pili sa mga
Okay, nakita niyo yung mango kay?
Hinog.
Hinog. So hinog na mango o banana are both sweet tropical fruits. But bananas are soft. So humog na daw ang banana? Humog na ba?
Yes.
Humog na. And easy to peel and eating raw. While mangoes have juicy. So, juicy daw ang mango sa easy na mapilaw. Juicy na ba? Okay. And also, pupils texture requires slicing to remove the pit and are often used in a variety culinary dishes. So to test if you really understand our topic, I will give you some questions.
So, what are the similarities between the two pictures? Anyone? Okay, Ate Marisa?
Answer, kada sa mga picture kay kanang nag-smile, wala ka na kay kanang wala kita yung ibon.
Okay, very good. So, give Ate Marisa 2 claps. Okay, another. What are the differences between the two pictures? Okay, Ate Marilyn. Unsa?
Ang kanang usa ka picture check kay mango, ang usa kay upaw.
Okay, very good. So, mo ilahang kalahian. So, tagaan na kong drink lang si Inday Marilyn. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So, now, naatay laing na activity. So, unsa ka matong laing activity?
So are you excited in our next activity?
Yes.
So our next activity is to test again if you really understand our topic, which is compare and contrast. So in your next activity, you will be doing it by group again. You will be doing it by group again. So this is for the group 1, this is for the group 2, this is for the group 3, and this is for the group 4. So ang pangutana, unsa man yung buhaton. So in your group, you need to think 2 fruits So dapat inyong dapat magunauna ang mga prutas na inyong nailan. And then you need to compare and contrast the fruits. So nasabtan na? And then you need to write into Manila paper. And the answer is will be any form. So inyo bang ibutan sa Venn diagram or inyo bang i-table or magamit mo graphic organizer. Ano sa mga students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will do it in 10 minutes. Okay. Ano sabi ng bukas na yan? Oh, mango and orange. How about group 3?
Banana and guava.
Oh, banana and guava. How about group 4?
Strawberry and potato.
Oh, strawberry and potato. Sumingin ka ng putasa. How about group 1? Oh, yung
Apple and watermelon.
Oh, apple and watermelon. So, habit ka ba ang mga ng tanan?
Yes, sir.
So, alin lang, children? Mana?
Almost done, sir.
Oh, almost done. So, ang group 1, oh, hapit na din ako man, oh. Okay. Okay, I think nahuman na ang all groups and I need 1% sa inyong group. So, group 1, kayo i-present your choosing.
Ako napili teacher kay apple and watermelon. The ilahang similarities is fruit, both sila ang fruit and sweet. And ilahang area difference ay ang color and size.
Okay, sakto ba?
Yes!
Okay, exactly. Please give very good clap to Anna May. So, did you know how to do the very good clap? Very good. Okay, you will be doing like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, did you copy it?
Yes!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, you really understand our topic, so we'll have an assessment.
So to test your understanding, we have here an activity again. So all you need to do is to get your activity notebook and then you're going to answer the following. Okay, so I will read the instruction. So read each statement carefully. Write, compare if the statement highlights similarities and contrast if highlights the differences. So what you are going to write if it highlights the similarities? Okay, very good. So if it highlights the differences, you write okay, very good. So answer directly. So please get your activity notebook and I will going to give you 10 minutes to answer that activity. So did you get your activity notebook?
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, so start answering. Just answer directly. Okay, so are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please pass your activity notebook. Okay, thank you. So now we're going to go to
Okay, okay na ba ang activity? Sa'yo na ba?
Yes!
So, to end our class, I will give you some assignment, okay? So, ang assignment dapat batong sa bayan. So, in your assignment, so please give your assignment notebook. So, in your assignment, you need to make a 5-sentence comparing and contrasting two objects. Again, you need to create 5 sentences of comparing and contrasting objects. And you need to write sa what? Sa?
assignment notebook.
Oh, very good. Assignment notebook. And also make sure na naka-highlight yun. And when we say compare and contrast is finding the similarities and differences, di ba?
Yes.
So, make sure na sa inyong pag-answer is naka-highlight yun ang similarity